Hey everyone, it's Guy here from 3D-Agent.com and I'm gonna show you our new release. Let's here ask to make the Eiffel Tower, pretty common prompt. Let's go for it. Professional, you can take ours and let's check how it operates. It's getting some scene. So we have a multi-agent system here powered by ChatGPT and also Anthropic at the same time, and it's now going to calculate and start creating the Eiffel Tower for us. As you can check, I'm the free account, so I had 2 out of 3 credits. I just used 1, and now it's thinking yes. And yes, it started creating the Eiffel Tower. Okay, not bad. Let's check the wireframe. Yes, look good. They look clean. Yes. Let's go back now. Let's check what 3D-Agent is doing. Well, it's checking the scene, understanding. Now it's going to add cross bracing between the legs. Okay. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Still thinking, still executing code, still understanding. Okay. It's up to the AGI to decide what needs to be done. I have no idea how to use Blender, guys. Sorry about that. But as we can check, things are touching, the right proportions, the wireframes are good. Not that messy generated by AI, because the focus here is that the AI needs to learn how to use Blender just as humans do. Right? Nice. I'm actually very impressed as well. First time trying this, wow. Huh? It's still here thinking. It's still going. Still trying to understand the scene, trying to understand what's being done. Wow. That's really cool. Oh my, that's really cool. That's really cool. Let's zoom this. Wow. That is amazing. Amazing. And it keeps generating. I was going for the 4. Our time is going to end here, the 5 minutes, but it just keeps generating, guys. As you can see, it will keep generating stuff. Let's wait a bit. So yes, here we are back to it after finish. So we can see it's created the floor, the grounding, the base here. If we zoom, materials. Look at it, guys. Perfect. Thank you very much. Bye bye.